Just a few of the industries that come to mind are automotive, which has been using AI for a while now. We also talk about generative AI and the recent explosion from ChatGPT. But AI has been around for a while. It's on my phone. It's in many smart TVs, and it's used in cars today for things like automatic cruise control that warns of oncoming traffic or keeps you in your lane. Now, NVIDIA and Tesla have partnered to create a groundbreaking alliance that has the potential to completely transform the fields of chip technology and autonomous driving. NVIDIA and Tesla have taken center stage with Elon Musk's revelation shocking the tech community. It's official that NVIDIA is now a client of Tesla, and who knows? Elon might decide to purchase NVIDIA after this. As we analyze the implications of this historic announcement, we'll look at the ways that Tesla and NVIDIA work together and how this dynamic partnership has the potential to completely change the way we think about autonomous vehicles. Come along as we explore the specifics of NVIDIA's involvement in Tesla's pursuit of completely driverless vehicles, the game-changing potential of NVIDIA's chip technology, and the collaboration's ripple effects on the future of computing and transportation. But first, be sure to hit those like additionally to subscribe buttons. Greetings and welcome to Tesla Insights. Let's get this video started. Recently, at an unveiling event, NVIDIA CEO Jensen unveiled a number of innovative technologies and services that have the potential to completely change the company's direction. In addition to introducing a new line of chips called Blackwell, they also mentioned the Race Blackwell 200, which is a more advanced chip with a whole new family of chips coming out. He also talked about the superior technology in this existing chip over the current Hopper 100, which is the H100. Synopsys revolutionized the chip industry with high-level design. We are going to qubit accelerate Synopsys. We're accelerating computational lithography, one of the most important applications that nobody's ever known about. If we take a look at NVIDIA, we can really see concrete proof that AI is having an influence on earnings, and there aren't many other companies about which we can make that claim, and some won't gain as much from it as everyone anticipates. But NVIDIA is one that I believe will, and that will undoubtedly be reflected in the stock price of advanced GPUs and cutting-edge software solutions, with such revolutionary advancements in the works. The question of whether NVIDIA is a stock worth investing in emerges. Join us as we examine the ramifications of these announcements and consider whether NVIDIA deserves to be included in the public eye once more. Meanwhile, in the field of autonomous driving, Tesla's latest iteration of full self-driving software version 12.3 has sent shockwaves of excitement throughout the community. Alright, so here's the left turn. The car is pretty much always messed up, so the line is up there, but it's faded, so you can kind of see the line over there. But here the up paint stop line is faded, and the car is actually doing it correctly. What the heck? This is legally where you're supposed to stop. There's nobody around. Is it actually going to get to zero? It didn't get to zero. But wow, that is by far the best the car has ever done. And what is extra awesome about that is Tesla didn't come to this turn and practice it a bunch of times and then put it in. They just trained the car with neural net it can do that turn, which it's never been able to do before. But overall, this is very impressive. So far, it's performing really well. Even with the precipitation following its release, thousands of eager customers gained access to the new FSD beta, sparking a wave of anticipation and enthusiasm. Early reports are overflowing with enthusiastic comments from users comparing the capabilities of FSD 12.3 to those of a proficient human driver. Musk draws attention to the mutual respect and admiration that exists between the two entities, adds testimonials highlighting notable improvements and seamless performance. Mount the buzz surrounding Tesla's autonomous technology continues to soar to unprecedented heights. You can see that Tesla has been making significant investments in NVIDIA chips, signaling a turning point in the tech industry landscape. Musk has expressed profound gratitude for these chips, underscoring the complex power dynamics at play in the business world. The vital idea of finishing on Tesla emphasizes the painstaking attention to detail needed to achieve FSD without the need for human intervention. Tight cooperation with NVIDIA together, Tesla and other leading innovators in autonomous driving technologies hope to outperform human drivers in terms of skills, setting the stage for the widespread use of robot taxis. This is a move toward a time when intelligent machines navigate the roads with ease, completely changing our perception of transportation. Additionally, the much-anticipated Cybertruck is about to turn from a margin headwind to a tailwind, with an estimated initial impact on margins. Of experts predict a reversal in which the Cybertruck will emerge as a positive contributor in the second half of the year after being negative during the first half. This change indicates an exciting future for Tesla, and purchasing stock is now seen as a bullish move. Recent pricing has been considered attractive, positioning Tesla favorably for growth and advancements in the future, especially in the area of fully autonomous technology. As Tesla navigates this transition, investors are closely monitoring how this change will affect the company's trajectory and market position. While NVIDIA is making notable advancements in artificial intelligence, NVIDIA has demonstrated its commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI research by introducing the Project Groot Foundation AI model, which is tailored for humanoid robots. NVIDIA has also unveiled the Thor system on a chip, which is specifically designed to advance robot development. AI and robotics are revealing ambitious projects that promise to redefine the landscape. As NVIDIA continues to make headlines with its groundbreaking projects, these innovations highlight the company's focus to supporting improvements in AI and robotics, laying the groundwork for revolutionary developments in numerous industries. The world looks forward with unflinching commitment to see how these innovations will affect robotics and artificial intelligence in the future. Tesla is focusing on the most difficult parts of autonomous driving, with the goal of overcoming the final 1% to 2% of barriers. NVIDIA is essential to this project because it provides the chip systems needed to teach robots to mimic human movement and interaction. As Tesla continues to set new standards in autonomous technology, the partnership with NVIDIA highlights the cooperative efforts propelling advancement in this revolutionary field. Do you think investing in NVIDIA is a good idea? Many industry insiders agree, and you know who else has stock in the company. Tesla optimism for those who are bullish on the company and have a keen eye for finding the next hidden treasure in the stock market. There's more to this remarkable growth than simply watching it from the outside, according to our friends at Seeking Alpha. Your one-stop destination for the most recent information on Tesla is Seeking Alpha. Targets for Tesla stock price innovation from Tesla and everything Elon. The ideal strategy is to seek alpha. Online sources for news about Tesla go past the mainstream media's anti-Tesla rhetoric and focus on the facts. For a unique deal on the opposite end of the spectrum, click the link in the description. Despite their high cost, NVIDIA's most recent generation of chips represent a quantum leap in processing capability. These chips are more powerful than expected, as demonstrated by Amazon's purchase of a cluster with an astounding 20,000 chips. However, the price of NVIDIA's new Hopper-based H100 chips is high, with individual chips costing between $25,000 and $40,000, and entire systems selling for as much as $200,000 despite the high cost. As industries embrace the power of these powerful chips, NVIDIA's commitment to pushing the frontiers of technological feasibility is demonstrated by the unprecedented performance provided by these chips. As the tech landscape develops, the computing industry is about to undergo a seismic change with far-reaching ramifications, highlighting the transformative potential of AI-driven technologies. How will Tesla's move from a margin headwind to a tailwind with the Cybertruck affect its long-term financial performance? Can NVIDIA's shift to a software-centric business model replicate the success of tech giants like Apple and Microsoft? How will NVIDIA adjust in the future to meet the growing demand for AI chips? Please leave your thoughts and comments in the space provided below. If you thought this conversation was interesting and educational, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing to Tesla Insights to receive more enlightening updates on investments and technology patterns. We appreciate you coming with us today, and see you later.